Hello viewers, again welcome. Today I'm going to show you very beautiful and amazing ideas of centerpiece and X-Max ideas. These are very creative and interesting, and children wants to do them and love to do that. And it's a very healthy creativity. It's some mindfulness, healthy and good. So this video gonna take you the world of very beautiful, classy and amazing collections of trees, flea trees, felt fabric, and easy to make and knows you products. And you can even knows your products and add some glue or add some stitches. You can, it depends on you. So these are very popular and beautiful designs. Hope you like the designs and ideas. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We will try to upload the best ideas and best designs. This video gonna make you the world of very beautiful and amazing ideas of felt fabric and beautiful trees making. And children and families get together, love to do, wants to make something different and beautiful. So viewers, your opinion, tell me about this. What do you think about that? We will try the best and beautiful ideas for you. Have a very nice and beautiful journey and watch till the end. Stay tuned with us. So this video is going to show you the best and beautiful part of this festive style and felt fabric, made with felt fabric, eco-friendly fabric, soft fabric. Everybody has that. Everybody can make this and warm cozy style of X-Max tree. Tree is the centerpiece and tree is must. We have to make this. No, I don't know. This video gonna take you the world of very artistic trees world. So you can make it with the fleece fabric, soft fabric with no sew touch, and add some buttons, glitter, beadwork. This gonna show you.
We are going to explore the wonderful world of tree making craft, tea crafts, from small ornaments to big creative decorations. We will discover how simple materials can turn into magical holiday art. And along the way, I will share how you can turn your crafts into a simple seasonal business, making this holiday both joyful and meaningful and profitable and rewarding. Xmas is a season of lights, love, and creativity. The tree is the centerpiece of celebration in many homes. While some buy artificial trees, making your own tree craft is not only fun but also meaningful. You can use paper, cardboard, felt fabric, or recycled material to like jute or means jute also is eco-friendly. Jute is eco-friendly to design your own mini trees. These little creations can be placed on tables, shelves, or even given as thoughtful gifts. Paper cone trees. Take a sheet of green paper, roll it into a cone shape, and decorate with sequin, glitter, or cotton. For snow, these are quick, easy, and perfect for school project. Cut cardboard into triangle, glue them together, and paint green. Add buttons, ribbon, or stickers to create a handmade X-Max tree. Felt tree. Using soft felt fabric, cut tree shapes and stitch them together, stuffing them with cotton. These soft trees can be used as ornaments or small gifts. Recycle bottle trees. Take a plastic bottle, wrap it with a green paper or yarn, and decorate with tiny ornaments. This is eco-friendly and looks beautiful as table decor. Twig and stick trees. Collect small twigs from outside, arrange them in descending length, and tie them on a string to make a hanging wall tree. Simple, rustic, and very trendy. Type of craft around the tree. The tree doesn't stand alone. You can create mini ornaments like stars, bells, snowflakes, or candy cans. Tree toppers using golden cardboard or glitter paper. Tree skirts using fabric, lace, or even jute for a rustic look. Gift boxes made from recycled paper placed under the tree from the display. Each of these adds magic to your holiday decor. Crafting is fun because it brings families together. Children love painting stars, parents enjoy decorating, and friends can even join in a craft party. Imagine an evening with music, laughter, and everyone making ornaments. It's not just craft, it's a memory you are creating with your friends and family. I hope you like my advice. Crafting also builds patience, imagination, and teamwork. Is a great way to reduce screen time and enjoy real creativity. This season, now let's talk about turning your X-Mix craft into a small holiday business. This season, people are looking for unique handmade items. Here, you can make advantage. Start small, make set of mini trees, ornaments, or greeting cards. Sell online, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp group to share your craft. Bundle products offer X-Mix crafts pack one mini tree, two ornaments, and a star. Even a small effort can grow into a seasonal income, and who knows, it might even become a year-round craft business. So